After a sampling event, you want to record all the applicable data you can right away. On the datasheet that has your initial flow, you also want to record the total volume of air the leland drew in and how many minutes you sampled for. After taking final flows, record this too and calculate the average flow. Your average flow is going to be in liters per minute. Multiply this average value by how many minutes you sampled for. This calculated value is going to be your actual volume of air drawn in over the sampling period. It will differ slightly by what the leland thinks it drew in. Record this number. Dividing it by the number 1000 will convert your liters into cubic meters. Eventually, if you're using a Teflon filter, you'll have the mass collected of particulate. This can then be put into micrograms per cubic meter. Note that you cannot use Leland legacy software to download data, only to program the instrument. After a sampling event, you will need to empty the PEM of its filter and safely store this filter. The first thing you need to do is get a Petri slide and label it. It is important to give it a good name. Include the date in your label and any other pertinent information. You don't want to confuse it with another filter. When you label the slide, include this name on your datasheet so you can match them up later if necessary. Take the PEM out of the cooler and unscrew the pieces. Gently lift the impactor ring off of the filter surface. Clean your tweezers with alcohol and make sure your hands are washed. Notice that the bottom half of the PEM has a notch in one edge. This allows you to access the edge of the filter with your tweezers. Lift the filter out gently and place it in your open Petri slide. Only touch the edge of the filter. Put the plastic cover on the slide and tape it down with clear tape to keep it secure. Tape over your writing on the slide as well so valuable information does not get rubbed off. Place the slide in a baggie in a freezer to keep it cold. You are now free to clean the PEM as before and re-oil it.